When should I get an alignment? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, the primary reason we want the car to align is to stop the tires from wearing. So first of all, if you put a new set of tires on, it's not a bad idea to go ahead and get an alignment just to protect that investment. We usually recommend about every 2 years as far as maintenance goes, because a number of things can wear on the suspension, or you can bump things out a little bit and cause a tire wear alignment issue there. Now I want you to know, if you have any vibrations or anything, that's not going to be alignment, so don't bother trying to do that. But if your car does drift to one side or the other when you let go of the wheel, it's possible that it's alignment. It's also possible that it's a tire issue. So you actually need that diagnosed. An alignment may solve it, may not. Also, if the car's been in any collision, even a light one, then it should be checked, because it can knock it out pretty bad if something gets bent, and then wipe out tires very quickly. So primary reason for alignments is to protect those tires. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels to you and blessings.